What is a contingent offer in a real estate transaction? An offer that depends on certain conditions being met, such as the sale of the buyer's current home. What does the term real property refer to? Physical property, such as land and buildings. What is the purpose of an as-is clause in a real estate contract? To indicate that the property is being sold in its current condition without warranties. What does the term pre-approval mean in real estate? A commitment from a lender to provide financing up to a certain amount. What is a title defect in real estate? Any issue that affects the ownership or transfer of property. What does the term amendment mean in a real estate contract? A change or addition to the terms of the contract.